This Tom Yum Noodle Soup is extra special. Its taste is far superior because the soup is made from fresh coconut water. The coconut water makes this soup taste sweeter with a hint of spiciness from the chilies and sourness from the lime juice. You will not regret making this soup. Your family will enjoy and thank you for it. Best of all, this Tom Yum recipe is not spicy. Great for non-spicy folks who want to enjoy Tom Yum without the heat. Tablespoon of Thai chili paste, but here we use our very own homemade garlic chili oil where we had removed the chili seeds and made it less spicy. Watch the next video if you want our garlic chili oil recipe. Prawns only at serving time. This delicious soup is now ready to be served. It is time to assemble it with our rice noodle that we had blanched earlier. Eating this noodle soup with the milky crunch of the coconut flesh really makes this soup truly awesome. A lot of people enjoy eating Tom Yum soup but unable to eat them because it is usually too spicy. If you make your own chili oil, then you can reduce the spiciness to the level that you like. Watch our garlic chili oil video if you want to see how we make our own garlic chili oil less spicy. Subscribe to our channel.
See you next week.
Thanks for watching.